The equinox also marks the changing of the seasons, of course, and it is certainly going to feel more fall-like by the end of the week. Ray?
Oh, it certainly will feel like fall by the end of the week. And the harvest moon, some people may not know this, was officially full at 7:54, but it also has another name called the corn moon. They didn't try real hard when they were naming these things back in the day. But overall, the full moon, if you got a chance to see it, it was nice to see. However, the clouds are going to be the bigger thing in the sky the next couple days. We have mostly cloudy skies in Pittsburgh right now, 10 to 15 mile per hour winds out of the southeast, and still an elevated dew point, so a little touch of humidity to the air that you might make you feel a little sticky outside. But 71 is the current temperature here in town. Many of the surrounding temperatures are still in the upper 60s and low 70s. Although it is cooler up in the ridges, those temperatures are certainly held back by that elevation over there. But here's the big thing. We're at 71 right now, and we have the 40s and 50s, even 30s up in Edmonton there. But this is the cooler air that's going to be working towards us. And you can see here, we go from warm to colder, and in between is where you typically would find the thunderstorms. So that cold front is pushing into this warmer, more humid air. And tomorrow, the additional cloud cover, that's going to hold our temperatures back a little bit. But it's also going to be a sign that there's some moisture in the air enough where we could squeeze out maybe an isolated shower. But the fall-like temperatures and the showers and thunderstorms come in after Wednesday's cold front. So the thunderstorms are coming in here by the time we're in midweek. Spotty showers tomorrow. You can see early in the morning still most of the activity back in Ohio. We'll get a couple trying to move in here. And just like today, the bulk of this activity is going to be south to north movement. So a lot of that activity stayed off to our west here in town. Once we get into Wednesday, that south to north movement is going to put a lot of moisture our way. We can see midnight. Early Wednesday morning, this rain starts to lift in here, lasts through the morning commute, then it starts to scatter out for a little bit. However, that's not the cold front coming in. That's this line here. So once we get into the afternoon and evening, that's where the heavier rain moves in, and some of this could produce some thunderstorms with some damaging winds. So there is the chance that a couple of these storms might try to become severe as this front's arriving Wednesday evening. That moves on. We still have some rain to deal with Wednesday night into the early Thursday. That'll clear out of here, and then we take over with sunshine that lasts into the weekend, but those cooler temperatures are going to last for quite some time too. So tonight, it's going to be on the warmer side, 64 degrees. We're going to have high temperatures that resemble this later this week. So take note as to what the temperature is right now. 76 for tomorrow. Back to average type temperatures. A few showers are not out of the question, and over the next 7 days, we're going to see these temperatures from tomorrow and Wednesday in the mid-70s go down to the low to mid-60s on Thursday. And after an early shower, we'll start to chip away at that cloud cover. And then you see we break into sunshine and some beautiful weather. Upper 60s. That feels like fall with lots of sunshine attached. I think the first weekend of fall is going to be a beautiful weekend when all is said and done, although the nights might get a little chilly with some 40s, especially Sunday morning and Monday morning. And with the changing temperatures, with the showers and storms and the sunshine that follows, make sure you keep the forecast straight with the KDKA weather app. Get the forecast when you want it, current conditions, hourly versions of the forecast, even an interactive radar. Search CBS Pittsburgh in the App Store and Google Play.